Viewers, at this point, we are sticking with our focus on Maharashtra because one instance to the other. This is another Maharashtra MLA booked for threat being issued to cop, and this has been caught on camera itself. Rohit Pawar pulling up a cop. It is a cop versus MLA situation that seems to have in fact unfolded. Unruly scene which was caught on camera. FIR on the NCP SP MLA Rohit Pawar, accused of blocking cop on official duty. Sharad Pawar's grandnephew has been booked, let us tell you. Case after high drama inside the Mumbai police station, which has been caught on camera. Let's take you through that.
आणि हात वर केला तर सांगतो तुम्हाला शहाणपणा करू नका बोलता येत नसेल तर बोलायचं नाही कळलं का चला बाहेर तुम्ही तिथं आमदारावर आवाज
आमदार हात लावायचा नाही साहेबांना हात लावायचा नाही शांत का पोलिसांना सहकार्य केलं पोलिसांनी नीट वागायचं गोखले साहेब नीट वागलं पाहिजे नीट बोललं पाहिजे ना साहेबांना हात लावायचा नाही असं वाटतं काय
आपण एक प्रतिनिधीबरोबर कसं बोलतोय हे तर कळायला पाहिजे.
Mustafa Sheikh joins us back on the broadcast. Mustafa, one incident to the other. This is another MLA, but again, this is from the party which we were talking about in the other breaking that we just brought to our viewers. Here we see Rohit Pawar, who is in fact grandnephew of Sharad Pawar himself, being caught in a very sensitive situation. There are threats that's being issued to the cop here. What more are we picking up? And please take us through the details.
The background of this video is the visuals of infighting which was being circulated widely on social media about which happened inside the assembly. So the political workers from the NCP Sharad Pawar faction and the BJP belonging to Gopichand Padalkar, a BJP MLA, there was a fight which happened inside the premises of the Vidhan Bhavan, after which the accused were arrested. So one of the accused, Nitin Deshmukh from the Sharad Pawar faction, was arrested, and to defend him, Rohit Pawar had reached Azad Maidan police station, and in that Azad Maidan police station, he was seen confronting the police officers, speaking to them in high-pitched voice, asking them not to touch them and things like that. So misbehaving with an officer, obstructing an officer on duty are the sections which have been applied against MLA of Sharad Pawar faction and grandnephew of Sharad Pawar, Rohit Pawar, and we'll have to see what further action police takes. But the Chief Minister, commenting on this issue, had said that entire MLAs of Maharashtra are being shown in poor light with these kind of incidences taking place. Back to you.
Right, Mustafa, abuse of power seems to be rampant at this given point when we speak of Maharashtra and those who are even within the government at this given point. With that, viewers, that's all that we have for you now on this very story. We will keep a track and bring you all the latest updates as the day proceeds.